cases, and the numbers who have come to India are quite small. So, you pass this bill in favor of refugees from Afghanistan and Pakistan, I have no objection. This bill has another clause regarding overseas citizens, Indian card holders. It restricts the OCI card holders if they have committed any crime or violated the rules. I have no objection to that also. My objection, in the committee, many of our members, including Shushmita, who had walked out with her party, said that just exclude Bangladesh. Don't bring Bangladeshi refugees into this. But the committee refused to listen to us. Then I proposed. अरे आप बैठिए विजय चक्रवर्ती, आप क्या बोलेंगे? आप क्या बोलेंगे? अरे
प्लीज पर्सन टू पर्सन नहीं,
बोलने दीजिए, আপনি বলুন না। Madam, why we had said that please को झूठ नहीं, झूठ बीजेपी के लोग बोलते हैं। Madam, why we said we also proposed, I want to propose again here, that make this bill a secular bill. Say that anybody who has come away from his country in our neighborhood, please listen to me, due to religious persecution, should be accommodated. Since we are a secular, why mention Hindus, Buddhists, Sikhs, Christians, Jains, and Parsis? Why mention that? Make the bill a secular bill, and do not mention only 3 countries. Madam, one must understand that do not mention 3 countries, Pakistan, Afghanistan and Bangladesh. Also mention Nepal. Also mention Sri Lanka. People have come due to religious or other persecution from these countries also. We should act as a humanitarian nation and accommodate people from Sri Lanka and Nepal also. They did not listen to us. Now what Rajnath Singh ji, what the BJP is saying, what they are doing is they are taking away with one hand and trying to give with the other hand. What have they taken away? They have now, there is a National Register of Citizens against which I have spoken in this house. The National Register of Citizens omits the name of 40,70,000 people who are residing in Assam today. And madam, you would be surprised to know that of these 40,70,000 people, 28 lakhs are Hindus, 10 lakhs are Muslims, and 2 lakhs are Hindu, Bengalis and Muslim, Hindu, Hindi-speaking people, and Muslim, Urdu-speaking people from other states. So who are being affected the most due to National Register of Citizens? Bengali Hindus are being affected very seriously. Now that day in my discussion on Rafale, I had spoken of a Meghnad in the BJP ranks who shoots his arrows from behind the clouds. Here also, when this bill is coming to Parliament, there is no sight of the Prime Minister. But he is going to Silchar and saying that we will give all Hindus citizenship rights. Just look at the politics. He is not facing the house. And he is going to Silchar, which is a Bengali majority city town in the Kachar Valley of Assam, he is addressing meetings here. This is nothing to create difference. On the one hand, through National Register of Citizens, you are taking out people from the citizenship of India. वो बोलते हैं ना, दो हाथ में लड्डू, एक हाथ में लड्डू लेते हैं मोदी जी और एक हाथ में लड्डू देते हैं, आओ हिंदुओं तुमको हम लोग सिटीजनशिप देंगे. दिस इज द मोस्ट डायबोलिकल, शैतानी है पॉलिटिक्स का. लोगों को विभाजन करके सियासती फायदा उठाने का. मैंने ये देश में 70-71 साल में इतना डायबोलिकल डिवीजन कभी नहीं देखा. ये कोशिश मैंने पहले कभी नहीं देखा जो ये सिटीजनशिप अमेंडमेंट बिल के तहत किया जा रहा है. मैडम, तो इसलिए I still insist. One, withdraw the bill altogether. Two, if you cannot do that, recommit it to the same select committee. Because we are not, the committee visited some places. We visited only Guwahati, Silchar and Shillong. But we have not gone to Upper Assam, Dibrugarh, Tinsukia, Jorhat, where a large number of Bengali immigrants are staying there. We had not gone to the other states also. We had not gone to Tripura, where a large number of people are staying there, Bengali-speaking people. Yes. So this is an incomplete, but we are minority in the committee. 11-6 they defeated us. It will naturally be defeated. It's the joint parliamentary committees are constituted on the basis of proportional representation. BJP has more, what should I say, cowbell members, yes. And that's why they have got more members. So naturally we could not match in the number. We thought that we'd match in logic. The other important point I want to bring to Rajnath Singh's notice is that he was saying that those Hindus, Sikhs, Christians, Parsis, Jains and Buddhists who are coming earlier for residentship, they had to stay in this country for 11 years. After that, they could apply. Now, if you are sympathetic to Bengali Hindus and you are trying to cater, Bengali vote लेने चाहते हैं, तो क्यों आप ये 6 years रखते हैं? बोलिए कि जो लोग किया है, वो लोग को voting right मिलेगा. Leave this 6 years period altogether. Give them immediate citizenship. And many of them are already citizens. Why you are discriminating against them? That again they have to go and apply. Why this should happen? Madam, please try and understand. This is a sensitive issue. And now what has happened? Madam, Bengali Hindus who have come from Bangladesh, they are proving to be the victim. Why? With this bill, when Rajnath ji has introduced, yes, the militant outfits in Assam are up in arms against whom? Bengali Hindus. You know what happened at Tinshukia near Dibrugarh? Ulfa, independent people, they shot dead 5 innocent Bengalis who were drinking tea at a tea stall. And what was the reason? They said openly, you want to get citizenship through the bill, we shall give you citizenship of the other world. Doom, doom, and the people died. Bengalis died, and your Sarwal government has not been able to protect these Bengalis. They have not been able to protect Bengalis. Now if, Madam, in the past, there has been Bangal Kheda in Assam. Yes. We are victims. If there is Bangal Kheda in Assam, they all come to West Bengal. We cannot take the load. Now see, because of the governments, on the one hand they are satisfying the Assamese majority. Yes, we have got the National Register of Citizens for you. Now all illegal Bangladeshi immigrants will be eliminated. On the other hand, they are trying to please the Hindu Bengalis because West Bengal will go to vote and they are saying, see how we are. Madam, you would be surprised. I told you, 28 lakh Bengali Hindus' names are out from this citizenship. Out of them, a large number are Matuas. These Matuas.
आपको आपका मौका मिलेगा
बाद में भाषण दें।
Please don't
Take your
yielding,
seat.
don't-
Please take your seat. Don't disturb.
आप बोल सकते हो
आप बोल सकते हैं, आप बाद में
बोलने वाले
बोलिए।
हैं तो
अब गुवाहाटी से है, आप बंगाल खेदा में भाग लिया थे।
ওদা আপনি সমালোচনা বলুন খুব ভালো বলছেন
হ্যাঁ, ঠিক আছে madam, please understand
I'm understanding that has
madam, I am addressing only you. Please understand
हाँ तो
the anxiety, the anguish
yes
of we Bengali Hindus. One, you are creating division. Muslims are not included. You included 6 religions. How can under Article 14 you can formulate a law in which equality before law is not there? You are including Hindus, Sikhs, Buddhists, Christians, Parsis and Jains. Why not Muslims?
Yes.
You say, make it secular. Say anybody who comes out due to religious persecution. Will, madam, understand this. In Pakistan, there are the Ahmadiyas who are also tortured by the majority there. They may also seek asylum in India. Will India not offer asylum to people who are Muslims but still persecuted in Pakistan? Madam, my appeal to you, you are a lady above the run-of-the-mill politics. You have risen to a stature, high stature. That's why I want you to intervene. Sometimes they say that speaker should not speak. Sometimes he should speak out your mind. When there is a threat to the unity and integrity of the country. When the constitution is being threatened. When Article 14 is being violated by an unconstitutional law. When Bengali Hindus are being targeted. When Bengali Muslims are being eliminated. And when West Bengal, led by Mamata Banerjee, is being made to suffer. Whenever Bangal Kheda takes place in Assam, where do the people come in? They come into Kuch Bihar district of Bengal. They come into Alipurduar district of Bengal. And we have purpose to give them asylum, provide them food and shelter. Madam, having been a member of this committee for 2 years, you know, madam, on strange thing, Rajendra Agarwal ji from Meerut is there. He is a nice man, decent man, allowed us to speak in the committee. But he had no say. For 2 years, the committee did nothing. It was formed in 2016. Suddenly, before the election, they thought that we must bring this bill to get the Bengali Hindu votes in West Bengal. That's why, hurry, suddenly on the last day, this important citizenship bill that will affect the ethnic minorities in various parts of the country, West Bengal, Assam, Tripura, that has the potentiality of lighting fires of violence and divisiveness in a large part of the country that is being brought forward. This is, madam, the worst example of vote bank politics. We stand for the rights of the Bengali Hindus and Bengali Muslims. We demand that not one genuine citizenship should be left out.
Yes,
We want the protection of all people who are there, genuine citizens. They should not be driven out. And madam, we seek your protection. Bengal and especially of the Matuas, the most depressed community. They are being enticed by BJP people. Somebody called Vijay something, he is going to Bengal and he's saying, Matua log ko hum pura right देंगे. अरे मथुआ लोग ममता बनर्जी के साथ है, वो लोग ये सब करने से नहीं जाएगा. मथुआ लोग शेड्यूल कास्ट के हैं, मथुआ लोग हरिचंद गुरुचंद को मानते हैं. हम लोग भी मथुआ लोग के साथ हैं. मैडम, with this one